What is going on, everybody? Welcome to this quick review of Scalper. Scalper, I'm here on the page. I'm just going to do a quick little review and kind of show you what's going on with this and how you're going to be able to use this to, make some money. And if it's worth it, is it a scam, is it not? So we're going to go ahead and go through this. So first of all, Scalper. It is a revolution. Claiming to be a revolutionary M1, M5 indicator with big results fast. Now, obviously, you got to be skeptical at first. Whenever you get into the Forex market, there's a lot of money to be made in a very short amount of time if you know what you're doing. But if you get involved with the wrong people, they can definitely take your money. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this. So they have a really cool video here that I'd recommend you watch. It kind of gives you an overview of this, pretty fast overview. If not, check it out. Whatever. I recommend you check it out. It'll give you more information, especially if you don't know what Forex is. So you can kind of go down here and here's what you get inside the Scalper product. You get next generation trading algorithm, multi-level confirmation, reliable signals, 100% no repaint, user friendly, accurate, minimal time investment, multiple trading styles, highly profitable signals, and supports all the major currency pairs. So when you get the Scalper, you get all of these. So let's kind of scroll down here and kind of see what else they can do for you. So here's some proof, guys. I'm going to click this video and see if it shows anything. So here's kind of what it does. It knows when to sell, it knows when to buy, and it places it automatically for you. And just like that, they made 21 pips. And if you keep looking, it puts in a buy order, and then when it goes up, it will sell, and you made your your pips for buying. And then it sells when it finds a peak, and then you sell. So this is kind of how it works. Maybe this is a super good run or whatever, but it looks like it does the job. Here's some more results. It finds the high peaks, it sells. It finds the low peak, it buys, sells, buys, and it does this all automatically for you, so you don't have to sit here on your computer and just trade all the time. So it's a super simple way to buy. I mean, it's a super simple way to make some simple money with Forex, especially if you don't want to sit behind your computer all day. So I recommend that you look at that. It's all mathematical based too, so it's not emotional based. You can set it up so it only does certain things. It only has a certain stop loss. It has certain whatever. So that's good. Scalper predicts big trends before they even start. It takes advantage of fast signals to make profit. So again, guys, this is automated. It uses mathematical formulas to see past trends and predict future ones. So even if you win 7 out of 10 trades, you're still going to be profitable every time. So that's kind of how this works. Again, it's all mathematically based, no emotion. If someone makes a bad trade, they're gonna put up their bets, and they're gonna make bad decisions, and that takes this out. So that's why I kind of like this. This is how it looks live in action. You get it all set up. They teach you how to do all this. Here's kind of the different modes it has. So you can do conservative mode, medium mode, or aggressive mode. Again, they recommend conservative mode because it's very low risk. This means that you're just making small gains every day, and you're not risking a lot of money, which is good for some people. If you can make 1% a day, you're beating any stock out there. If you even make 0.5% a day in the stock market, you're gonna get 10% back a year. If you're lucky, you're gonna get 10%. So if you can even get 0.5% a day, which is easily obtainable with this type of stuff, then you can definitely make some serious money with this. And then again, you have these medium mode and then the super aggressive mode, high risk, high reward, whatever. If you have some money to play with, I don't recommend doing this if you're starting out, but whatever. You can see how it is, and then if you make a lot of money, good. So here's a inspiring story. You can read this, kind of cool stuff. And then some more of this, that, whatever. They're just trying to explain more about it. But here's some trips that they use, and I like this first one because it's kind of they're not trying to say this is a get rich quick scheme. Never, and I do mean never, consider forex as a path to get rich quickly. Always factor in risks, and it must be put in it. Always factor the risk and efforts that must be put in to achieve each goal. So they're not trying to make this a get rich quick scheme. They're telling you that it'll take time, but if you follow the steps and you implement them, then it'll work out. So, I'm not going to go read through all these. I've shown you pretty much all that I needed to show you. But basically, here are the steps. You get inside this. There's only 3 copies left here. So I'd recommend you get in now before they sell out. But you attach the Scalper to your chart, your MetaTrader 4, and they teach you all how to do this. So if you're confused, they're going to show you how to do this. And then you enter in a buy or sell signal. And then you set up a recommended stop loss, and then you exit as soon as a new signal is generated. So then you keep profiting and profiting. That's it. No thinking, no analyzing, no worry. Only clear, laser-tuned buy and sell signals that get the job done for you. So this is super automated, guys. Very, very cool. Very good stuff here. This is a lot of people, try to get in on this, and they don't have that much success. But if you set it up right and you get in with the right people, then you can make some serious money. So, anyways, this guy's here to help you. He's here. He's not going to leave you in the dust. He's not going to leave you, empty-handed. He's here to make you work. So, again, guys, here's kind of what you get. You get the Scalper trading system. You get unlimited access, and you also get lifetime updates. So, special discount right now, guys. If you get in now, I recommend you do. So what I've done for you guys, if I've actually got you a discount, if you click the link below, you actually get a discount, and you can get in right away. I recommend you do that. Click the link below, and you can get some serious money back. So you can get in this and test it out. And here's the very best part: 60 days full money back guarantee. So for some weird reason, at any time in the next 60 days you're not fully satisfied, he's gonna refund you in full. No questions asked. You get your money back. So that's the very best part, guys. When you put in your money, it's a good investment. You're investing in yourself, you're investing in your future, and if it goes wrong, then you can just get your money back. If you don't like it, just get your money back. There's no risk at all. Zero risk at all. So anyways, guys, here's some testimonials. You can read through these. I also want to show you guys some of the money that people have been making with the different trades. So here's some money. Here's some different trades that they've been using. Don't watch this one. This is actually crypto trades, so it doesn't make sense. But here's some trades. Great British Pound, Canadian dollar, some buy sells, $700, $230, and these are high, a lot of risk in these, but you can build onto this level. And here's another one, $415, $350, but even just $5 a day on a is big money, over the years. So I recommend that you guys click the link below and you get in before it's too late. And anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I think this is really cool software. 24/7 email support, one real live account, accurate buy sell signals, detailed step-by-step. Let's get back to here. Detailed step-by-step user guide, reliable signals, full 60-day money-back guarantee. So other than that, guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for watching this review. I recommend that you get in this. I think there's always going to be risk involved, but if you don't take a chance, if you don't take calculated risks, like this, that are calculated, there's no risk at all, it's calculated, there's money to be made, and if you don't take it, then you're never going to get where you want to be. But anyway, make sure you guys do your own due diligence, but make sure you click the link below and you get in at the best price possible. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.